Welcome to Minneapolis Academy and Career Center, a citywide alternative high school. Our school is at the Davis Center, the headquarters for Minneapolis Public Schools. It is located right on Girard and Broadway, so it is super convenient for you to get to. Our students eat breakfast and lunch at no cost, right here in our professional cafeteria. And they love to talk about how good the food is.
Minneapolis Academy is designed to be a small setting school for students grade 10 all the way up to 21. Together, we will create a personalized learning plan that is just right for you. We want to work together to help you focus on areas you need to work on to meet your goals. Whether it is because you want to graduate with us or you're interested in returning to your home school, we'll support you either way.
We do this by giving you choices on how you want to earn credits. Those options include small group lessons, project-based learning for more hands-on learners, and online learning, where you can use the power of a computer and the support of your teachers to complete your coursework. You can work at your own pace and even work to catch up on credits you are behind on to get back on track to graduate.
At Minneapolis Academy, we believe building relationships is a key factor to your success. Because we are a small school, we are able to do school-wide activities designed to build community. We will do this in a variety of ways, such as all school Thanksgiving dinners, school-wide projects, bike trips, and homemade breakfast and lunch on special days.
Minneapolis Academy is proud to be a diploma to degree D3 school in partnership with Minneapolis College. D3 students can earn both college and high school credit at the same time. You get to attend classes right on their beautiful campus, which is in close proximity to Minneapolis Academy. You will have support from your teachers from Minneapolis College and Minneapolis Academy both. You can attend college and work toward an associate's degree while finishing your high school diploma at the same time, all at no cost to students or families. It is an amazing opportunity that we are very proud to offer our students. This is a real option for students that are interested in going to college, and we will support and encourage you every step of the way. We love to see our students look at college as being a real opportunity.
You're currently employed, or you hope to work while attending high school. While attending Minneapolis Academy, you can earn elective credits through your job. Looking for a job? At Minneapolis Academy, you can take career readiness courses that will help you prepare for the workforce by helping you research careers, improve communication skills, and create a professional resume. From the day you enter Minneapolis Academy to the day you graduate and beyond, we look forward to having you join us.